This is the viral yaki bob from Nadula. I know you have seen this everywhere. It is back. We are about to get into spring, summertime. So here's everything you need to know. It comes everything, up close shot of it being pre-plucked. This is really a pop on and go. It is, I believe, 12 inches. And this is a drawstring unit, as you can see, giving you a more customized fit. So you've got two little buttons, or little round things, I should say, on the drawstring. All you're going to do is pull down the big one, but that's not going to hold it in place. Make sure you pull down the smaller little button to keep it nice and secure, and you should be all set. Threw my hair back into a little small ponytail, popping on my wig cap, and then I'm going to pop on this wig. Before I melt the lace, because I am going to add a little bit of hairspray, I'm going to show you that drawstring again. All you do is just pull, secure it with the bigger button, adjust it a little bit, make sure it's not too tight on your head, and then take that smaller one, pull it all the way down, and tuck the drawstring. That is it. Got a little shaky shake right here to show you guys it is not going anywhere. Perfect pop on and go type of unit. And as far as the fit on this wig, you guys, I really didn't need any hairspray, but that's just not me. I've never walked out the house without any kind of adhesive. I just did a tiny bit and blow dried that down, and I was good to go. And at this point, you can either be done with this unit, or you can just take it a little step further and really customize it. I love to add my little baby hairs. It's very rare that I don't add baby, adolescent, teenage hairs, whatever you want to call them. Just do my hairline, just slicking them down. I did use my small little pencil wand curler because this is yaki hair, so it needs a little bit of heat. And then with curling it with the curling iron, I of course got my Design Essentials foam and laid my edges. And yeah, that's all I'm doing right here, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. Everything that you need, any discount codes, the direct link to this unit that you absolutely need this summer will be down there. Nadula is celebrating their 8th anniversary, y'all, and I've definitely enjoyed working with them. I appreciate their consistency and that they are always on the hunt to find something new, something much easier as far as hair goes, to make our lives much easier as well. So yeah, y'all, all I'm gonna do is just tie my hair up at this point, let it marinate, let it process, pop on some makeup, and then we'll get to a few styles because yeah, like installing this, I'm almost done. Super easy, super fast, super quick, y'all. So this hair takes to heat really well. So I'm going to show you this unit. Of course, I'm just going to straighten it out using my GHD Chronos flat iron. I love this freaking thing. I was iffy about it before, but I cannot stop using it no matter what style I'm doing, y'all. This gets this hair really straight. Of course, any flat iron will do, and your temperature does not need to be super hot. I think the temperature on this is a little below 400. I want to say 375, but yeah, it takes the heat very easily. And then I'm going to also use a little bit of my wax stick and of course my hot comb to make it nice and flat at the top, and then we will see the first look, and then we'll keep it moving. The hair looks so good. The length is so good. But you want to keep that movement, that bounce in there, but you want it to be nice and flat. So yeah, just my 2 cents. And here's the first look. Somebody tell my husband to go take me to the beach right now, because did y'all just not see that look with the sunglasses? Oh, it just screams spring vacation time somewhere with your boo, all laid up, just relaxing and still looking good, y'all. This is the vacation unit right here. A very big tip for those who cannot get this unit to curl: make sure you're using the right tool. So I'm using the Babyliss titanium flat iron to curl because this is so much easier. I think I tried earlier this day with curling with my ceramic, with like a regular curling iron with the ceramic, and it just did not hold. So the titanium will hold this hair so much better, and y'all see it took me no time to get it all nice and curled, you guys. So here is the second look. Y'all, I know y'all see me. Yeah, if you have not added to cart, and I don't say this very often, but if you have not added this to your cart or checked out by now, you are missing out. This is such a great unit to just have on deck, have on hand for the spring, summer, and you will look put together in no time, which is what we all need. Okay, so make sure you guys check the description box. Again, I will have everything down there. A big happy anniversary to Nadula again, y'all. And that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all know I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.